Chapter 10 Cube of Expressions. By multiplication, we have a plus b whole cube is equal to a plus b square into a plus b is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square into a plus b is equal to a cube plus 2a square b plus ab square plus a square b plus 2ab square plus b cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Similarly, a minus b whole cube is equal to a minus b whole square into a minus b is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square into a minus b is equal to a cube minus 2a square b plus ab square minus a square b plus 2ab square minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. 1. Write down the cube of expression x plus a. X plus a whole cube is equal to x cube plus 3x square a plus 3x a square plus a cube. Answer. 2. Write down the cube of expression x minus a. X minus a whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square a plus 3a square x minus a cube. Answer. 3. Write down the cube of expression x minus 2y. X minus 2y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 3x square into 2y plus 3 into x into 2y whole square minus 2y whole cube is equal to x cube minus 6x square y plus 12xy square minus 8y cube. Answer. 4. Write down the cube of expression 2x plus y. 2x plus y whole cube is equal to 2x whole cube plus 3 into 2x whole square y plus 3 into 2x into y square plus y is equal to 8x cube plus 12x square y plus 6xy square plus y cube. Answer. 5. Write down the cube of expression 3x minus 5y. 3x minus 5y whole cube is equal to 3x whole cube minus 3 into 3x whole square into 5y plus 3 into 3x 5y whole square minus 5y whole cube is equal to 27x cube minus 135x square y plus 2 to 5x y square minus 125 y cube. Answer. 6. Write down the cube of expression ab plus c. Ab plus c whole cube is equal to ab whole cube plus 3ab whole square c plus 3ab c square plus c cube is equal to a cube b cube plus 3a square b square c plus 3ab c square plus c cube. Answer. 7. Write down the cube of expression 2ab minus 3c. 2ab minus 3c whole cube is equal to 2ab whole cube minus 3 into 2ab whole square into 3c plus 3 into 2ab into 3c whole square minus 3c whole cube is equal to 8a cube b cube minus 36 a square b square c plus 54 ab c square minus 27 c cube. Answer. 8. Write down the cube of expression 5a minus bc. 5a minus bc whole cube is equal to 5a whole cube minus 3 into 5a whole square into bc plus 3 into 5a into bc whole square minus bc whole cube is equal to 125a cube minus 75a square bc plus 15ab square c square minus b cube c cube. Answer. 9. Write down the cube of expression x square plus 4y square plus 4y square whole cube is equal to x square whole cube plus 3x square whole square into 4y square plus 3x square into 4y whole square plus 4y square whole cube is equal to x6 plus 12x to the power 4 y square plus 48x square y to the power 4 plus 64 y to the power 6. Answer. 10. Write down the cube of expression 4x square minus 5y square. 4x square minus 5y square whole cube is equal to 4x square whole cube minus 3 into 4x square whole square into 5y square plus 3 into 4x square into 5y whole square minus 5y whole square whole cube is equal to 64x to the power 6 minus 240 x to the power 4 y square plus 300 x square y to the power 4 minus 125 y to the power 6. Answer. 11. Write down the cube of expression 2aq minus 3b square. 2aq minus 3b square whole cube is equal to 2aq whole cube minus 3 into a cube whole square into 3b square plus 3 into 2a cube into 3b square whole square minus 3b square whole cube is equal to 8a to the power 9 minus 36a to the power 6 b square plus 54a square b to the power 4 minus 27b to the power 6. Answer. 12. Write down the cube of expression 5x to the power 5 minus 4y to the power 4. 5x to the power 5 minus 4y to the power 4 whole cube is equal to 5x to the power 5 whole cube minus 3 into 5x to the power 5 whole square into 4y to the power 4 plus 3 into 5x to the power 5 into 4y to the power 4 whole square minus 4y to the power 4 whole cube is equal to 125x to the power 15 minus 300x to the power 10 y to the power 4 plus 240x to the power 5 y to the power 8 minus 64 y to the power 12. Answer. 13. Write down the cube of expression a minus 2b by 3. A minus 2b by 3 whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square into 2b by 3 plus 3 into a 2b by 3 whole square minus 2b by 3 whole cube is equal to a cube minus 2a square b plus 4 by 3 a b square minus 8 by 27 b cube. Answer. 14. Write down the cube of expression a by 3 plus 2. A by 3 plus 2 whole cube is equal to a by 3 whole cube plus 3 into a by 3 whole square into 2 plus 3 into a by 3 into 2 square plus 2 cube is equal to a cube by 27 plus 2 by 3 a square plus 4a plus 8. Answer. 15. Write down the cube of expression x square by 3 minus 3x. X square by 3 minus 3x whole cube is equal to x square by 3 whole cube minus 3 into x square by 3 whole square into 3x plus 3x square by 3 into 3x whole square minus 3x whole cube is equal to x to the power 6 by 27 minus x to the power 5 plus 9x to the power 4 minus 27x to the power 3. Answer. 16. Write down the cube of expression a by 6 plus 2x. A by 6 plus 2x whole cube is equal to a by 3 whole cube plus 3 into a by 6 whole square into 2x plus 3 into a by 6 into 2x whole square plus 2x whole cube is equal to a cube by 216 plus a square x by 6 plus 2ax square plus 8x cube. Answer.